So hey guys, welcome back to the channel of Be10x and I hope you all are doing really well. Till today in our videos, we have learned that how we can use different AI tools to increase our productivity and also enhance our career. And if you want to learn more about it, we have an AI tools workshop. More details are ahead in the video and the link is in the description.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you a packet of chips. But what if I tell you 9 rupees can save your job? What if I tell you 9 rupees can get you salary hike? What if I tell you 9 rupees can build your career in better way? Sounds too good to be true, right?
But today we are going to learn that how we can build AI models on Google Cloud. So the first step is that we need to have an account on Google Cloud Platform. So if you don't have an account on Google Cloud Platform, then create one. GCP is like a really good platform to have your account on. It will ask you for like your credit card and debit card details just for the verification purpose. And you will get a free trial for 90 days. So in the free trial, you will get 300 credits and you can use them to do any demo, or you can use it like I am using to show you how you can use GCP account or like build your basic AI platform. So you can just like directly type here AI platform. So basically AI platform is used to train your machine learning model and then scale your machine learning model, and then you can like take your trained model and deploy it on your platform, and this is a dashboard where you can upload your model or anything. So it will show all the predictions for it. Also it will predict the traffic on it, and every error report it will also show you the prediction latency, and it will also show these kind of things out here right now. So there's no model uploaded, so it's just showing the basic headings for it. So the first one of the feature in this one is you can say we can come to notebooks, and it is how to generate a notebook instance just like you have a Jupyter notebook. Right, in that way only you can just go to a new instance here and you can go to TensorFlow. These kind of options are there, and you can like upload your simple Python notebook also, which have like pi learning on pandas or numpy, anything simple visualization or things are data analysis. Under that you can go for the heavy notebooks also like PyTorch, another like Kaggle bit like this, and Kaggle Python also you can use a different kind of GPU in that. And here we are going to go with TensorFlow like enterprises with 2.1 with like without GPU, and also you have an option of NVIDIA. And so without GPU and viewed or NVIDIA you can go for, but right now we are going without GPUs, and here you can create your instance name and everything. You can also go to the advanced option. Here you can choose the default one, have like 4 virtual CPUs, and the standard one, I mean standard one has 4 virtual CPUs, 15 GB RAM, and if you want more you can select more RAM, and if you want the less one you can select for the plus one, and then you can select per GPU whichever you want, like test like this KTP of 300, and where we see like various options there are, and you can just then create it. And okay, it takes some times, and what I already did is that I have created one, so we can just go back and launch from here. You can just open Jupyter notebook here. So naturally it comes with all the built-in packages for TensorFlow and everything, but if you want to like install some of this specific package, you can just go to the terminal here and you can just like pip install xgboost, and you can store. And so it's downloaded, install that, and we have this multiple options here, launching a notebook or a simple Python console or everything. So we can just go to network right now, and you can select here or there like multiple language you can select. You can select Python in other 2 languages also. Right now I've chosen Python, so we can check the other versions of the boost that we have installed, and we can type, you can just import x3 boost as xgb, then xgb for checking the version, xgb dot double underscore version underscore, and then we can launch like simple Python console also. So what you can do over here is it comes as a simple Python. So before moving ahead, I just want to have a small talk with you. Nowadays you all might know that AI is taking over the world, and it has taken over the world in just a short span of time, that we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. And I believe that you don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, I can assure you that AI won't replace you, but the person who is using AI will surely. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour AI tools workshop, in which we'll teach you about the best AI tools to upskill yourself, increase your productivity, and also enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description, and let's continue the video ahead. And now we can also launch like this simple Python console, and what you can do is here it comes as, so go for like checking the TensorFlow version, also just import TensorFlow as df, and then for checking the version, same df dot underscore version. So this is the 2.3 version of TensorFlow, and this is how you can play with your Jupyter with this notebook, just like you play with a manual Jupyter notebook, right? So yeah, coming to the next service, that is AI Hub. There is like a Google Cloud AI team, and Google Cloud team now where they just put, and Google Cloud team post their content over here, and the latest content or whatever kind of content whichever is useful for you, you can take that and you can, like, if you want to understand any, and you can take this and you can understand any type of model, you can get any information from here. And if you want to run any and if you want to run any model or something, you can understand and get a research content from here. So that just one thing is that AI Hub does for you is working in an organization, they have separate teams or something, you can share your models here, and it will be to your choice that you can put limitations to it, and it will be completely private to your team or certain multiple teams. If you want to share your models with, that will be completely private. So that's a very good thing with AI Hub, and you can get your models uploaded here and share it with the people you want with your customization, and that is AI Hub. And then we have data labeling. So in data labeling, what happens is you put your data set bit of image or videos in whichever manner, and it gets annotated by the human annotators. So you can just create it here, and you can insert your data set whichever you like image, text, or you can create, and then you can give your parameters or description whichever way you want to give, and whichever way you want your data to get annotated. So you can give a better description, and it will give you better results on the basis of that, and more description you give, the more accurate results would be, and that is how it can be done. And now we go back to the other services, that is you can go to the jobs here, and job is like you can create a new training job from here, and we have an option of built-in algorithm training and then a custom code training at you can, and in the custom code training you can write your model, create a model, and you can upload it here, and whichever way you want to upload or you want to give any kind of model, that is custom code. But its point is built-in algorithm training. With its built-in algorithm training, we get the option of like you can select any kind of algorithm. These options, all the algorithms are given: XJ pools, boost distributed, XD post linear learner, white and deep learner, image classification, image object detection, and there are these new ones which Google introduced like TabNet and NCF and all those things. You can choose from your algorithm, and then you can give your training data, and then you can give your algorithm arguments also, and also you can provide split ratio, and you can give other parameters on, also on the basis of that parameter the model will be analyzed and prepared. So that's a very plus point, as it like saves a lot of time. Instead of making the whole model, it just directly creates a model for you, and you don't have to code anything and do everything. So that's a very plus point. And then we have pipelines. So what pipeline does is pipeline addresses all your ML operations, and it starts from acquiring data, preparing data, analyzing data, and training the model, analyzing the model, deploying the model, and then tracking your model artifacts, evaluating the model. It is like built on Kubeflow pipelines and TensorFlow extended modules. So it basically allows you to build an end-to-end pipeline, and at the same time deploying the end-to-end pipeline. So this is what the pipeline air is. And then we have like models are something, if you want to do code wise command line programming, you can do like command line model, or you can make or analyze or deploy. That's where model is used. We can discuss that later on, and actually it's a and also it's a very big process. And I just wanted to show you like this how the Google Cloud platform works, and this is a journal description for GCP. And this is the end of our today's session on Google Cloud platform. I hope you had a great time learning something about Google Cloud platform. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment if you have any doubts, and also don't forget to subscribe Be10x. And do remember, we have an AI tools workshop that is just available for 9 rupees, and you can have a benefit of it. And see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.